My name is Kevin Offerman, owner of City Tavern in downtown Fort Myers. We'd like to wish everyone a safe and happy Memorial Day weekend, and thank you to all our veterans out there. And remind everyone of our second annual chili dog eating contest on the 4th of July this year, where we've teamed up with Feltman's of Coney Island, a veteran-owned hot dog company. Chef Brian Duffy will be here. We're working with the Luminary Hotel across the street, Bud Light Seltzer, Deep Eddy Vodka. It's going to be a great time, family friendly. What time does everything get rolling, Rebecca?
Everything starts right outside at 4 p.m. The chili dog eating contest starts at 6, and the fireworks are at 9 p.m. You can find out all the information at mycitytavern.com/hotdogs. You can also go on our Facebook page to find out more.
We're going to have DJ Juan Gomez playing all the music outside from 4 p.m. till 10 p.m. And we're fortunate enough to be teamed up with Jason Stretch of legendary Automotive and Truck Service. And Jason, you're giving away something very special on the 4th of July. What is it?
Well, we're fortunate enough to be giving a vehicle away to a veteran, a member of our community that gives beyond themselves to other veterans, and that'll be happening after we watch everybody eat those amazing hot dogs. Also during the whole event, there'll be a 50-50 raffle going on, and all the proceeds go to American Legion Post 38 right here in our own community. So great place to bring the family for the 4th of July.
We'll be doing a 50-50 raffle, and those proceeds will also go to the American Legion and help veterans right here in our community.
Sounds like the place to be on the 4th of July.
It's the only place to be. And the forecast for the 4th of July at City Tavern will be chilly.